Hello, hello. I am Alicia Richard, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the ultimate place where we talk about locks and life and actually creating content as a creative. And I give you a little bit about, how life be life and sometimes. So if you want to talk about some of those things that women over 35 actually go through, then make sure that you subscribe to the channel and then watch this video all the way to the end so that you won't miss out on anything special. I will be talking about the main things that I like about Sisterlocks. So if you already have Sisterlocks, then a good thing for you to do is make sure that you comment below and be like, amen, yes girl, you are talking about it, I can relate. And then if you also don't have Sisterlocks yet, then this will be a good way for you to just see what you are missing out on. One of the things that I love about Sisterlocks is that I have a hairstyle in like 2 seconds. The good thing about Sisterlocks, or even locks in general, is that you will always have a hairstyle. You will really never have like a bad hair day when you have Sisterlocks or just locks in general, because they kind of just fit your life, right? So when you have locks, you could really just depend on always just shaking and go. And when I tell you, like, you could really shake and go, like you can shake and go all of the time. So I love the convenience, especially when it comes to my busy lifestyle. There are always a million and five things to do, and I'm sure, like, as a woman, you could relate, right? You're either cleaning up the house or taking care of the kids, or you may be married or on your 9 to 5 job, or even doing your side hustle. Well, with locks, you could actually do a lot more throughout your day, because you never have to worry about, oh my gosh, my hair isn't fixed today, because your hair is always fixed. So I enjoy, with me having my Sisterlocks, how it actually fits into my life, because now I don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, how am I going to do my hair, because I always have a style. The other thing that I like about Sisterlocks is not just that I'm always having a style, but the versatility as well. Having so many different styling options has allowed me to really explore what my hair can do on its own without the assistance of anything additional. So I enjoy like the headbands, I enjoy doing the rope twist, I also enjoy putting my hair in buns, or really just like protective styles, I would say, for Sisterlocks. And I've really been able to enjoy all of the versatility that Sisterlocks has allowed me to have. So sometimes when I feel like, you know what, I just want to put my hair up in like these rope twists, that has been my go-to style, especially a lot of times during the summer or when different seasons come and you really don't feel like doing much with your hair. The rope twist or different simple styles are so amazing, right? So as a mom, I have been able to do like real simple styles. Now, for me to fit my busy lifestyle, I don't resort to like, like long styles at all. Like if it's more than about 30-45 minutes when it comes to styling, I'm not up for it. However, I do love a lot of like the braid outs, or a lot of like the curls are really what I enjoy. For example, what I have in my hair right now are some of the curls. All right, so the other thing that I enjoy about Sisterlocks is always knowing who is going to do my hair. I know exactly who is going to style my hair every single month, and I do not have to worry about making an appointment or anything, because all of those things are already set for me. So ahead of time, my loctician always has like a running schedule of the days that I come. So I am not searching for somebody to do my hair. I'm not looking through anything additional for someone to do my hair, because you're really intentional about the styling of your hair. So when it's time for me to get my retightens, I just go to my stylist and she just does my hair. So that is something that I really enjoy about Sisterlocks, is that you always have like that consistent person, versus if you have any other options of hair, if you're not doing your hair yourself, then like you got to worry about who's going to do my hair this month, or who's going to braid my hair, or who's going to crochet my hair. Like I don't have that problem. Once you have your loctician like locked in, she is literally locked in, unless you decide that you want to go to somebody else, or if that loctician isn't just the person for you, then that's when you would switch. But for the most part, like 9 times out of 10, the person who done your installation is the person who does your locks like every single month, and that's it, right? One of the other things that I like about my locks is that when I do get a chance to work out, I could actually work out without worrying about sweating my hair out, right? So when I do my lock styles, and when I am working out, the times that I get to work out, I actually like it that I could just put my hair right up in a ponytail. I could put on like a headband around it. I like how when I have my locks, I'm not restrictive to the type of styles that I could do when I'm working out. So I would say like it's no problem for me to sweat, right? It's no problem for me to be active or have an active lifestyle because my hair allows me to have an active lifestyle, right? Versus if there was like a frontal or, like even if the locks were heavy or something, then that would have been a problem. But we don't have that problem with locks, all right? So, one of the other things that I like about having locks is when it comes to the weight of my hair is not heavy at all. And some people have asked me that, like, Alisha, is your hair heavy? And I will honestly say, like, no. Like, right now, as you can see, like, my hair is blowing in the wind. So, no, my locks are not heavy. I would say, like, it really just doesn't feel like it's hair, but it's not like heavy locks. Like my locks do not like weigh. So they're very light, they're very freeing. Also when it comes to my locks as well, one of the other things that I really like about Sisterlocks, and if I haven't talked you into getting locks or Sisterlocks or whatever type of locks that you want to get, then you need to just keep listening. I like how free I am with my hair, right? Because when you choose a certain style, this style not only involves versatility and not only involves just the convenience, but it also offers freedom. So I am free. Like I don't have to worry about putting like any type of oils. Like now I don't even use much oil at all. I don't worry about putting oils or different kind of conditioners or anything in my hair. I kind of just let it go. The most I do with my hair is a lot of times I do add like water to it, sometimes like spritz it with water. And then lately it's been like a Talia Waji, it's like this certain thing that she have, and I've been able to use them. So when it comes to like the versatility, and let me stop. Oh, you So when it comes to actually having like the versatility of locks, I must honestly say, and I'm looking at my watch to make sure I'm still in the camera, I must honestly say, like, it has been very versatile for me and convenient. Like, really being a mom, a wife, all of that. Like, I can't think choosing this hairstyle enough, to be honest, because how much of like mental freedom and clarity that I have that I don't have to worry about my locks. All right. So, the next one that I enjoy about Sisterlocks, as I'm literally out here just thinking about how much I like my hair, is like how my husband likes my hair. Like I've went through so many different hairstyles when it comes to like my hair, that my husband honestly has seen my hair in all of these different styles. I've had the big chop, I've had permed hair, I've had locked hair, I've had like so many different styles, and I feel like as I have grown, he has also grown with me and has learned to like appreciate my locks as well. At first he was a little skeptical, right? Because he was like, well, are you sure this is something that you want to do? You always like to change your hair, you always like to do different things with your hair. So really now that I have locks, he has been so supportive. Like he really likes my hair a lot. It was the other day, when he saw my hair like this, like loosed out, he was like, you need to come home because you look too pretty, right? So a lot of times he does like me having this style, and I really enjoy it. And also like my son like it, like the baby, like my baby 1 year old, he's always playing in my hair or something. The other thing that I do like about locks is the sister lock or even the lock community, right? So even if it's not sister locks, it's always like a community of women where they're always like, oh, I love your hair, what do you put on your hair? And it's almost like a legit community of women that just have locks. And I also think too that locks isn't about like just locks right now, but a lot of people are transitioning to this style, and I could see why. Like the freedom that comes with it, it's also a thing of loyalty as well, because that commitment, right? You are saying I commit to this style, so it's almost not to say a marriage, but it is like, it really is. It's a personal preference, right? So I would say, like, if you haven't thought about getting locks, lock extensions, sister locks, traditional locks, whatever type of locks that it is, just know that it's so much freedom that comes with it, and you will thank yourself later because you have made a good decision. So if you like this video, make sure that you comment and let me know if you could agree with some of the things that I've said in this video, and I will look forward to talking to you soon. Bye bye.